Hello, today I am starting something brand new for you that I've been wanting to do for years. And that is to create a library for one of my favorite YouTube tools that I do not upload a video without. I talk about it, I share about it, but I'm about to create a library of TubeBuddy information so you can master TubeBuddy as this amazing tool that you can use for your YouTube channel and help you thrive on YouTube. So I want to just start with this video so you knew how it was going to look. We're creating a full section on my YouTube channel. And the first section is going to be about orientation, which is going to be this video and maybe a couple of others. And then next to that video is going to be a separate sections called playlists. And each one of those playlists is going to be a section of that portion of training. Okay? So I'm going to take you on a journey through TubeBuddy, through certain sequences that you can use. And even some of them are going to be because they need to be learned right away. And some of them is because I want to be thorough and teach you everything about TubeBuddy. So what you want to do is look and below the section of the video and see what that playlist is and see if it appeals to you. And when you open it up, there'll be several videos in there training you on all the best things you could do with it. Are you interested? I'm excited, but I won't know if you're excited unless you comment. I am going to be very interested to know if this is something you're looking for and if it's something in particular that you want me to do right away because you're waiting for some help, then go ahead and mention something in the comments. And if you haven't signed up for TubeBuddy yet, I put a link down in the description, and there are many times that they give you 50% off if you sign up through that link. So go ahead and look at that if you haven't yet. It is worth every penny if you ever wanted to pay for a tool that's going to save you hours and hours helping with automation and systematizing. It's going to help you get your videos more views and more engagement. Wouldn't you want that? If you're thinking of doing YouTube as a long-term hobby, job, just a fun thing that you want to do, experience, then you have to have TubeBuddy. Mandatory. That's my favorite tool, and I want to share it with you so badly that I can't wait to create this library for you. So go ahead, go into the description, get yourself TubeBuddy, and get started right away. Thanks. Bye-bye.